Well, one of the things we like to do when we're fishing is have fun. You know, whether we're out there in the lake catching some fish or we like to come in and cook up a little. We got some brats up here today and we just stopped in to cook ourselves a little meal, enjoy the sights here. Now we're lucky today because the wind is actually coming out of the southeast, and that leaves us a state park where the water out in front of us is just calm. It's real nice down here. We're right by one of the beautiful pavilions that they have here. We're the only ones around, and we're gonna cook ourselves up a little meal here and really enjoy ourselves.
Tomorrow we will go back on Indian Lake and see what fishing conditions are like. Right from the get-go, we were rocking the bass. Maybe our success is because we have maintained a positive attitude. Even the best anglers have slow stretches, but persistence pays off, and we were eventually rewarded. Boy, the fish are feisty today. We were careful not to let them rest because even a small amount of rest can give fish a second wind and double the amount of time it takes to reel them in. While experiencing the thrill of fishing, it's a good time to reflect on the personal benefits such as stress relief. Nothing brings on the sense of being alive and rebuilding our personal reserves like a day spent interacting with nature, especially in the beautiful Schoolcraft County fishing area. Fishing is good for your health. The exercise that comes with fishing can increase the quality of your lifestyle and add years to your life. Also, it offers you the chance to improve your self-esteem through respect for the environment, mastering outdoor skills, and achieving personal goals. Fishing is a lifetime skill and activity that can be enjoyed at any age. The guys had an agreement that when one person catches a fish, the other person would grab the camera. Well, it seems every time that Tom picked up a rod, Denny would catch a fish. Tom would grab the camera, and he never had a chance to cast a plug. These weren't just any fish. They were 3 and 4 pound smallmouth. After Denny had caught 5 of these beauties, Tom had had enough, and he refused to pick up the camera. Well, we all know how Tom's fishing prowess is. Tom, don't feel too bad. At least you get to have a delicious fish dinner.
We're getting ready to go back in now. We've had a great day out here on the lake. As you can see, it has been the nicest day. We've got the wind blowing, the temperature's not real great, overcast skies, not another soul out here. And yet, Denny caught all kinds of fish. I spent most of my time coming from the front to get to the back, to get the camera, to get him catching fish. Every time I got back up, this is my excuse, every time I got back up front and I only made a cast or 2 and I had to run back again because he shot for another one on. It's a beautiful smallmouth bass, a nice walleye. That one, we messed around too long at the boat and it got away, but...
We messed around?
I was going to make him lose some of those fish.
Tell our viewers if the camera work sucks.
I was too busy looking at the fish he was catching. That was it. But some nice fishing, some great fishing. This lake is like that. You can come out here, and we were out here yesterday and not a thing. Couldn't catch anything. And come out here today and just nailed. I don't know how many did you get? 5 smallmouth and 6 smallmouth. There was that little one too, and then a walleye. So that's a good day. I don't care. And these were nice smallmouth.